first time humankind has witnessed such an unprecedented event, where almost whole world is under lockdown. Being curious, certainly many questions strikes in mind. Before knowing what is alpha, beta, gamma and delta coronavirus, we should know what exactly is coronavirus. Is it the first time that it has been discovered in humans? How many types of coronavirus has been discovered till now? Then we will discuss what is alpha, beta, gamma and delta virus, and what is L-type and S-type coronavirus. And also we will know why this strains of coronavirus is more dangerous than the previous one. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus are large family of single-stranded RNA viruses that causes disease in human and animals. They are zoonotic in origin, means they originally came from animals to humans. Most suspected carrier of this virus are bats and pangolins. World Health Organization has officially named the disease COVID-19, Coronavirus Disease 2019, and the virus which causes the disease is named SARS-CoV-2, just like HIV is the name of virus and AIDS is the name of disease which occurs due to HIV. Human coronavirus were first characterized in the mid-1960s and they are mostly considered to be responsible for respiratory tract infections. In 1965, scientists D.Z. Tadel and M.L. Bino were the first one to identify human coronavirus. In 1968, they were named as coronavirus due to spikes found on their surface that looks like a crown. In animals, coronavirus can cause diarrhea in cows and pigs. First coronavirus in animals was isolated in 1937. It is clear now, COVID-19 is certainly not the first coronavirus to hit the human. Our next question, then, what are the other types of coronavirus? While there are hundreds of coronavirus, but till now we know 7 of them infect human beings. Human coronavirus are first 229E, which was discovered in 1966. Second, OC43, which was discovered in 1967. And the third, NL63, which was discovered in 2004. Fourth, HKU1, which was discovered in 2004. Fifth, SARS-CoV, which was discovered in 2003. Sixth, MERS, which was discovered in 2012. And the seventh and the last one, SARS-CoV-2, which was discovered very recently in 2019 December. Which virus is more dangerous of all the 7 coronavirus? What makes COVID-19 more dangerous than the previous viruses? In comparison to SARS-CoV and MERS, COVID-19 is less fatal, but it is more dangerous due to intensity of infecting other people. Let's understand it other way. To understand this, we should know R0. R0 is a mathematical term that indicates how contagious an infectious disease is. It is also known as reproduction number. As an infection is transmitted to another person, it reproduces itself. R0 tells the average of people who will contract a contagious disease from person with that disease. For example, R0 of 6 means a person who has disease will transmit it to on average 6 other persons. Means an infected person will make ill 6 other persons. R0 of COVID-19 is very high in comparison to previous coronaviruses. That makes this strain much dangerous. It is 4 to 6 and even 100 in a particular case of South Korea. Multiplier effect makes it highly contagious epidemic in comparison to previous ones. Some discoveries are going on. that SARS-CoV-2 has two strains itself. Viruses are always mutating, especially RNA virus, as like virus of COVID-19. After passing through many bodies, SARS-CoV-2 mutates itself in two strains of virus, that is S-type corona and L-type coronavirus. Both are prevalent in present outbreak. L-type is more aggressive than S-type, but World Health Organization has not confirmed the difference between the two. Now we know much about the SARS-CoV-2 and the disease caused by it, COVID-19. Now we can discuss what is alpha, beta, gamma, delta type of coronavirus, which was our first question. The coronavirus study group of the taxonomy of virus has classified them into 4 groups on the basis of their source, means from where virus has came to infect humans. Simply put, if the source of virus is a mammal, then it is alpha or beta coronavirus. If the source of virus is avian species, means birds, then it is gamma or delta virus. If the coronavirus source is a mammal and it infected a human, then it is alpha or beta corona. Alpha corona symptoms are easily cognizable in comparison to beta. If the coronavirus source is avian species, then it is gamma or delta. Similarly, the symptoms of gamma are easily cognizable in comparison to the delta. However, symptoms of all the 4 viruses are same, but duration and sequence of appearances differs. Hope now you know the difference between all the 7 coronaviruses and the most important alpha, beta, gamma and delta coronaviruses. Share, subscribe and spread the knowledge with Differencia. Thank you.